Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. In today's video, as you can tell from the thumbnail, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Max 90 in the total orange colorway. I'm very excited to actually bring this review to you guys because if you know, I actually went ahead last year and I made a video on the Air Max 90 in the Hyper Royal colorway, and in that video they sold out and I wasn't able to get them, and I finally last year got them, but due to the fact of me moving, I was not able to go ahead and bring the review out for you guys and all of that. So today we're gonna go ahead and actually get straight into this review. And really quick though, I want to go and actually show you the clip where I actually talked about it in my Air Max 90 video. So let me go ahead and roll it for you guys right now. I'm most likely gonna go ahead and pick up an orange pair when I have the time to go ahead and get it, and if they ever restock. I really need those. So yeah, so right here we got them, and we're gonna go straight into it in a few minutes. First and foremost, like always, I really want to tell you I appreciate all the love and support that you guys show. It greatly means a lot to me. We're currently on the road to 500 subscribers. We're currently at 320, and I know by the end of the year, we're trying to shoot for the 500 subscribers by the end of the year. 1,000 if we can get to by the end of the year, but I just really want you guys to know that I really do, I appreciate all the love and support that you guys really show. It really means a lot. I appreciate all the comments that you guys leave in the comment sections. Also, sometimes I've noticed something too, like I feel like sometimes people will leave a comment, but they won't actually, like they'll retract the message or they'll delete the message. Like, no, like I actually want to be able to engage with you guys. So if there's something that's on your mind, or something that you like the video, something you don't agree with the video, or it's just feedback from me, or you just want to just talk to me, like go ahead and comment down below. I will try to get to as fast as you as I can. I usually get to everyone that leaves a message pretty relatively quick, but no, don't ever feel like I don't want you to ever feel like I don't want you guys to ever feel that if it's a dumb message, or if there's something you want to say, it might be you might be silly to say, no, don't do it, just drop a comment, man. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. So if you haven't already too, this is your first time coming to the channel, make sure you definitely do subscribe so you can support and see more content from me, as well as go ahead and follow me over on my Instagram, as well as my sneaker news page on my other Instagram account. That way you can stay up to date. I try to post as much sneaker news as I possibly can. I am only one person behind that account, so if I miss out on something, I'm sorry. So go ahead and follow me over there. And even sometimes I want to post you guys too. If it's something I like or something you guys tag me in, I definitely want to go ahead and just engage more. That's all I really want about. Like, I really like to engage a lot more with you guys. So thank you so much for that. Now, I've been rambling for a minute. I apologize. We're gonna go straight into this unboxing, but first we have a couple of goodies that we want to go ahead and show you guys. There's a couple like shirts and a hat that I actually recently got. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get this headband on and we'll go straight into it. So be right back right now. All right, so I'm back, and no, I know I normally usually wait until I review the actual product to put the headband on, but I wanted to be early today, so let's go ahead and go straight into it. So the first shirt that I got, I actually was able to go ahead and pick up a graphic tee. This was from Nike, and I thought it was really cool because it's kind of like Nike and it's like anime inspired, and I'll show you what I mean right now. So I went ahead and this dropped off. I already took it out the packaging, but I wanted to go ahead and show you lovely people. So here we go right here. This is the graphic tee that I picked up from Nike, and as you can see, it's a pretty good graphic tee. It reminds me so much of, I don't know if you've ever seen the anime, is it Akira? But it reminds me so much of that. Like, look at the actual art style. I actually did some research to see like who was behind the art style, and I went on Instagram and found out it was actually a guy named, is it Van Gogh? I don't know if I'm butchering the name. I'll put his Instagram right here so you guys can see it. But he's pretty cool. Like, he actually takes anime, like he does drawings, and he takes like Nike, like you see like New Balance, and he does like a mix of like anime mixed with apparel, and I think that's really cool. So here it is right here. Show you guys one more time. It's an Air Max, and I think it's actually going to be a pretty cool shirt. I'll probably wear it in one of my videos, or I might wear it sometime on my Instagram. Look for that. And yeah, I think this is a really cool shirt, and I hope if you guys like it, I will link a link in the description where you can go ahead and find it. And we're gonna go on and move on to the next package. All right, moving on to the next package. Now this is an this is a box that I actually was able to get from Supreme. I already know what this is. It's probably the hat. Let's see. Gonna go ahead and unbox this baby. Open her up. And like always, I like to show you guys, you know, a better angle. So opening the box. So we're greeted with tissue paper. Go ahead and move that. Oh, the Supreme hat. I was right. I ordered some more stuff, so I wasn't too sure if it was the actual Supreme hat. But okay, there's that. It comes with, ooh, it comes with the actual Supreme sticker. Hold on. A little Supreme with a rat. Was that a cigarette? That's different. Let me go ahead and actually get everything out of this box. I'm gonna put this box down because it's making my arm tired. So it comes with even more stickers. It comes with an actual Supreme sticker. That's actually really cool though. That's one thing I love about Supreme. Like, I love the fact how they go ahead and they add these additional like goodies when it comes to like when you order something. Really makes you, the consumer who is buying it, feel really great. That's another Supreme sticker. That's like what, my 50th Supreme sticker that I have. Here's another one. And then let's go ahead and open up the red hats. Now this actually dropped on, I think it was last week's drop on Thursday. I will leave a link in the description where you can go ahead and try to get it, because sometimes they still have stuff on their site. It's not everything always sells out. I think they're sold out though, I'm not too sure. But this is the hat that I got. It's actually, it's like a red velvety type of hat. Looking in the back, it does have, let's see on if the camera will focus. It says Supreme right there. Now, as you know, I have a lot of hair, so I probably won't be able to really fit this. I won't be able to really fit this. However, though, once I get like a better haircut and I cut my hair down low, I probably will go ahead and fit this. So those are the two little goodies that I wanted to go ahead and show you. Like I said, if you guys want to go ahead and actually see, know where I got them from, I always will leave a link in the description down below, just in case you guys are very interested. Now, moving on to the main course, we're gonna go straight into these Air Max 90 Total Oranges. So let's get it. All right, so like you can see, we do have the Nike box, and dude, it's damaged, okay? Like literally this thing got crushed. Like I said, I ordered this a while ago. I actually got this last year, and when I saw the box like damaged like this, I was like, okay. So anyways, all that matters is that the product is good, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully it is. We're gonna go ahead and tear this open like this. Hold on. And here we go. Get the box out of here. I'm sorry, that box was causing too much problems. So this is the box that the Air Max 90 Total Oranges come in. The box is a little bit damaged, but it'll have to do. These are, like I said it for the third time, the Air Max 90 in the white particle gray, black, and orange. And this is going to be the Total Orange. So I got 11.5. Now for Air Maxes, I recommend going true to size or a half size up. I like to go a half size up because true to size is kind of like a snugger fit for me. But I mean, if you ever have time to go to your local mall and you ever want to try on some Air Maxes, try it on. You never know, a size like your true to size fit may be different opposed to like a actual a half size up. So like I said, I recommend going a half size up, but it's totally up to you guys. So let's go ahead and open up the box. When we open up the box, we're greeted with a nice, beautiful white tissue paper. And we do have our Air Max 90 and our Total Orange colorway. Now, let's go ahead and actually get the other shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and what are these? If anyone, listen, if you know what these are, please let me know. I never knew what these were. That's why I never talked about them in any of my reviews, but I just don't know exactly what they are. So let me go ahead and put this box down, and we're gonna go straight into this review. So this is the left pair, and this is the right pair. I think I'm gonna go with the right pair because there has just more with it. Let's get into it. So you got we're reviewing the right pair, as you can see. So starting from the bottom, You have the midsole. The outsole, it's actually a two-toned outsole. You do have orange with black. I think that's very, really cool. Then going up to the midsole, you do have all going across a very white, marshmallowy white midsole. And then you do have that air unit right there with the hint of that total orange right in the middle of that. Beautiful. As we go up a little bit, you do have, it's black, it goes all across, and then it does say Air Max. Let's see, I want the camera to focus. Yep, Air Max right there. Looking at the back of the shoe, it does have the just like how the bottom did. It had that two-tone color. You do have black and you do have orange, and it says say Nike Air right there with a beautiful black check mark. Honestly, it's such a beautiful shoe. Coming to the front, looking at the, I guess you could say like the tongue. It does have, it's an all white tongue with that Nike stitch right there, and it does say Air Max right there. And then what I love for this is the fact that you do have the Nike Air tag. Now, one thing I found a little bit kind of, I guess like I kind of questioned why they didn't. It was curious to me because in the Air Max 90 Hyper Royal box, you actually came with a different presentation. Actually, let me go ahead and grab it for you in a few minutes. Hold on. All right, I'm back. So just like I was telling you guys, in the Nike Air Max 90 with the Hyper Royal colorway, the box came like this, right? The presentation came like this, and then if you want to check out that review, go ahead and check that review because I already went ahead and we're not going to be doing it for this one. But for the Air Max 90 Total Orange, the box comes like this. So it's a little bit different. I mean, I'm not really complaining, you know, that's why they wanted to do it, that's how they want to do it, but I'm just kind of curious why it didn't come like in a special box. I feel like if it would have came in the Hyper Royal box and it was like, you know, white and orange, I think that would have been kind of a little bit uniquer, but you know, Nike has their ways of doing things, so I'm not gonna go ahead and blame them. But these are basically it. This is the Air Max 90 in the total orange colorway. These were, oh, I didn't even tell you the price for these. These were $120 that I actually paid for them, so not too bad. Looking at the insole, let's go ahead and check out the insole. I need to show you guys that. You have very, you know, orange and white insole, very beautiful. These definitely are gonna get worn a lot. I actually greatly love Air Maxes. I mean, I know I've been reviewing a lot of Jordans lately, but I was like, I need to go ahead and get a review in for this. So I'm glad you guys definitely are seeing this. And if you like this, go ahead and definitely give the video a like as well as a comment. It greatly, greatly appreciate it so much. So this is going to go ahead and conclude the video for the Air Max 90 and the Total Orange colorway. Comment down below and let me know if this was a shoe that you liked. If this was a shoe that you don't like, did you pass on these? Let me know. I really would like to go ahead and hear your guys' opinion. Before I go ahead and break away to the on-feet review, I have to let you guys know, thank you just so much for all the love and support that you guys do show. It really does mean a lot to me. Also, this week, we do have a release coming up for the Air Jordan 1 OG High University Blue. A lot of people are gonna go for those. I might try to go for them. I'm hearing that a lot of places are doing like first come, first serve. Don't really know what's going on with that, especially for these type of sneakers. But I mean, I think what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try my luck on sneakers. I'm gonna be real. And then tomorrow, March 4th, Thursday, is going to be release of the Nike SB X Supreme collab they're doing with those dunks. They're dropping on the Supreme site tomorrow. So if you guys are going for those, hey, let me know, because personally, I want to go for them, but I mean, I doubt I'll be able to hit really. I may try to go for the green pair, because if y'all haven't already know, you know, green is my favorite color in the whole world. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to go ahead and for those. If I do hit, I do hit. If I don't, I don't. I will let you know. And if I go ahead and hit, I will bring a review to the channel. So like always, guys, like I said, love you guys. Really appreciate all of the support. Stay safe out there. And until next time, it's your boy Nefra, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Gems with the heat.